Okay team, we're here at a dairy shed doing some water stain restoration work again, and if you have a close look at these windows you'll see they're actually baked on. So this is the real McCoy. This is as bad as it gets. So all the calcium and lime and silica all around the frames. So if you walk around to the sunny side, these are windows here as well. No, they're not perspex or polycarbonate. You walk around here, we've actually just done a test patch here. So you see through, there's a little bit of laminate discoloration there as our test patch wasn't quite 100%, but the rest of this has come up really well, and that is on the inside. So this section's how bad the inside of the windows are, but the outside's pretty serious. So once again, anyone else that I know of would walk in here and say throw the windows away, especially a glazier or a glass company, but we can restore these back, and we will restore them back to clean and transparent for around 20% of replacement. And of course these aren't covered by insurance because it's called an active wear and tear. So these windows here, for argument's sake, would be able to restore for around $300 a panel maximum. So you're talking probably about $800 worth of safety glass there. So we can do it. We'll just show you from the inside very quickly, and this will give you an idea. The door's the same because they throw so much water around in dairy sheds. So the inside, this is just built up. So it just needs a good scrape and a good clean. This is the inside, but the outside's obviously mineral stain. So the water stain doctor, you can also buy the paste. We sell product online through our web shop. This is our information here. We also do cruise boats, etc. But look, you can see it all on the website, and we also sell business startup kits, which is what I'm here for today, to set up this young man in his own town with a memory stick and all the information he needs. Water Stain Doctor, thanks for watching.